Hi, everyone. So this week we're going to talk about the things we find, a lesson in fonts. And fonts are the style of words. So here we have a couple bold words. That is a certain font. If you have a thin font like the one below, Task Due Wednesday, it's just a different kind of style. So we're going to talk about fonts because you can change them to have meaning for whatever that you're doing. So a couple things that we have is some choices for you. So in this lesson, the things we find, we have three choices. Letters of your name within objects, notice the bold. Your name with found letters on objects, notice the bold. And then finally, as many of the letters in the alphabet you can find on objects. So we have within objects and on objects, and I'm going to explain that a little bit further. So letters of your name within objects means you're looking at objects and wondering, could this be a letter? It took me a while to find these. It took about a week, but I kept looking and I found all of them in Creative Spaces. So the J of my name, I decided to take a picture of a faucet, and I actually flipped and edited the image in my phone. You can also do this in Google Slides, which we will be using. And then I have my E, which is out of a hose. I thought that was interesting. And then two S's found in a bird and actually a piece of artwork that I had hanging. So this is letters of your name within objects. The second one, if you choose, is your name with found letters on objects. So these are actually letters that I found on objects. So I have my J, my E, my S, and my S. So you can also take pictures of letters on objects. This one is a little bit easier than the first one, possibly. My last one, which is to find as many letters in the alphabet you can find on objects. So looking at different things that you have in your home, in your cupboards, in your bedroom, on the wall, anything that you can find and taking pictures of it. You don't have to go outside for this. You could find this one all in your home probably. So I have a couple things that I wanted to review. How to save pictures to your device. Some of you are asking questions about how to save. So this actually is a website, Wide Angle Software. You can actually click on those links there, whether you have an Android, an iPhone, or other usage. You can follow that website and then click on the proper link to help you out, because I know that everyone has different devices that they're using. The second one is how to make a Google slide. So you're going to find if you're in your Google Classroom, you'll have this kind of icon. This is where you probably find classrooms when you open up your Gmail account. So I call this the waffle. So you're going to click on that waffle shape, and you'll notice that all the apps open up, and then you're going to find Google Slides or just Slides. You're going to click on that, and then on the top left corner, there's going to say a couple choices. I like to choose the blank one, but you might choose a different one. But you're going to click on the plus sign that says Start New Presentation, and then it will open up into a slide. And this is the most important part. You need to change this. So for this assignment, I need you to write your name / fonts. It is right here, name / fonts. Okay? And then when you save it, you'll be able to find it in your drive, and then you can upload it into Google Classrooms. Okay? The last one is how to insert your photos into your slides. So once you open up Google Slides, there will be kind of your tools at the top of your page, right above your slide. And this tool is for text, and you can click on it and you can create a text. This one here is for creating images and inserting images. And this is for if you want to make shapes. So we're going to click on this one at the top, and it says insert image, I believe, or insert photo. And it comes to a drop down. And once you click on it, it will drop down and you can upload from your computer. So if you save your pictures from your computer, you can put it there. If you saved it already into your Google Drive, you can find it there. I don't have photos in mine. I haven't used that yet, but you can try it out. It might work. But really, the drive and uploading from your computer is probably what you're going to use most. I use upload from computer because I save everything to my desktop once I find my image. All right, so I think that is everything. I just want to go over some tips for you. If you're looking for an object in the shape of your letter, so meaning going back to my faucet that I made for my J, you can always flip your image in Google Slides or in your phone through the editing tools. And I encourage you to play around with slides because we are going to be using them a lot to capture imagery as well as handed assignments. So your task is to choose one of those tasks. So you can either do the letters on the objects, the letters made out of the objects, or finding each letter of the alphabet. Then you're going to find your letters. You're going to create your slide, and you're going to upload your letters onto your Google slide. I hope you guys enjoy this. It was really fun to kind of look around and see what I could find. It was a great activity to just kind of get away from the regular things like maybe math class for you, maybe social studies, science, maybe reading, just a little brain break for you guys to explore your creativity. All right, I will see you in our chat, and I look forward to talking with you guys.